Hey guys, how's it going today? I've been using the HOROW Artistic Smart Toilet for a few weeks now, and overall it's been a fascinating blend of style, comfort, and technology, though it's not without a few quirks. Here's my honest take on what I love and what drove me a little crazy. From the moment I unboxed it, I was struck by the sculptural design. The sleek one-piece ceramic body feels almost like a modern sculpture rather than a bathroom fixture. It fits seamlessly into a contemporary bathroom, and the matte white finish resists stains and fingerprints better than glossy surfaces I've dealt with in the past. In terms of aesthetics, this toilet scores exceptionally high. I've had several friends comment on how artistic it looks, which definitely lives up to its name. Installation was smoother than I expected for a high-tech unit. The HOROW Artistic Smart Toilet comes with an integrated tank and bowl, so you don't have to wrestle with separate pieces. The installer had to connect both the water line and a standard electrical outlet nearby, since the heated seat and bidet functions require power. If you're refitting an older bathroom, you might need to add an outlet, which could add to labor costs. In my case, it was a simple plug-in, but it's something to consider. Once powered up, the smart features really shine. The heated seat has 5 temperature settings, which I love, especially on chilly mornings. The adjustable bidet spray offers both posterior and feminine wash options, and I found the water pressure and temperature controls intuitive. There's a deodorizing filter that activates when the seat is in use, which helped eliminate lingering odors far more effectively than a basic vent fan. The night light feature, a soft glow under the rim, has also been surprisingly handy for midnight trips, guiding me without needing to stomp on harsh overhead lights. Cleaning the bowl has been easier, thanks to the self-cleaning nozzle and the glaze on the ceramic that repels limescale and bacteria. I still give the exterior a quick wipe down, but I spend far less time scrubbing the inside compared to a traditional toilet. Even better, the dual flush mechanism, 3.0-6.0 liters, gives me a choice between water-conserving, quick flushes and more powerful ones when needed. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. The control panel, while sleek and wall-mounted for a clean look, sometimes feels finicky. I've pressed buttons only to have them not register on the first tap, especially when my hands are damp. There's also a handheld remote that duplicates many functions, but it must be placed in its cradle to get a battery charge. So if you forget to dock it, you can't rely on it when you need it. Another minor gripe. There's no backup power for the lid's auto open-close feature. If there's a power outage, the lid remains in whatever position it was in, and you can't manually override the soft close mechanism quickly enough when you're in a hurry. It's not a deal breaker, but it's a reminder that you're dependent on electricity for many simple functions. The price point is on the higher end. You're paying a premium not just for the smart functions, but for the design and build quality. If you're budget conscious and just need basic bidet functionality, you could find cheaper standalone seats that plug in. But if you're renovating an entire bathroom and want an integrated, museum-worthy piece, the investment makes sense. Maintenance has been straightforward. I replace the deodorizer cartridge every 6 months and wipe down the control surfaces weekly. The manufacturer's customer service was responsive when I had a question about replacing the filter, which gave me confidence in their support network. In summary, the HOROW Artistic Smart Toilet transforms a utilitarian fixture into a comfortable, high-tech experience. The design is stunning, the wash function's excellent, and cleaning is a breeze. On the flip side, it's pricey, relies heavily on electricity, and the controls can be touchy. For me, the pros significantly outweigh the cons. If you're looking to elevate your bathroom into a spa-like retreat and don't mind the investment, this smart toilet is hard to beat. Highly recommended. If you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.